Hello, I'm going to do something that I don't do very often, and that is to review with you the document explaining the short analytical report, its requirements, organization, how you'll pick the topic, and how you can do a team presentation. There on that document are the 6 requirements overall for the report. APA, and I've given you a number of links here to help you out on APA. 4 to 6 pages, single-spaced, introduction through conclusion, double-spaced, Times New Roman, number the pages on the bottom, 3 credible sources, and 2 peer-reviewed journal articles. I give you this links and all this help for you to accomplish that. Just one color chart like a graph and one table. You can't copy and paste off the internet, and there is a APA citation format for charts and tables. There's a lot of videos out there on how to create charts or graphs in both Word and Excel. All right, work division. Everyone has to work on items 4 through 9 below, and everyone must read and edit. Okay? You learn from others, and the final product is much stronger. I strongly advise that you use Word Online. You don't need to use Google Docs anymore. Word, MS Outlook has everything that Google has now up online. Here's how you have it organized, and you have to do it in this order. A title page with a chart summarizing what each person did. And by the way, you can't count the title page as one of the numbers of the length of the paper. Then you have a table of contents. Here's how to do a table of contents template. Then you put in a page break. Page break, page break. Then you list the charts or the visuals. Now this is not putting the charts and the visuals. It's just listing them by name using this format. Don't put the visuals here. Here's what it might look like. And you'd be putting your names in. Page break. Then the body of the report. You have an executive summary, which is a high-level overview of what you're going to do. Do not copy and paste from report sections, but reword them. Now, you know as well as I that managers are overwhelmed with information, and that the executive summary may be the only thing they read. At most. I'll add at most. Then you do the introduction. You state the question, the problem you're looking at, why the answer to the question is important, and then preview what you're going to share in the report. You'll only use secondary research, which is basically library databases. Primary is when you go interview people or use survey tools, but given that this is an online class, I think the best we can do is the secondary research. I have a link in there on databases. Then you'll put the findings, which are the main body of your report. And I'm big on subsections. Then your recommendations and conclusions, page break, and then your references. I've had students use mind maps for a visual, which I thought was pretty cool. There are plenty of mind mapping tools out there. This one was done in PowerPoint Smart Art. Now, here are the analytical report topics. Take a look, just Google. In other words, you could really pick any topic you want. You select the subject. You select the one question you and your team want to answer, and that is your research. The team presentations can be done on VoiceThread, or you could do it on YouTube. Now YouTube will allow editing if you wish. You would send me the slides in advance. So that's the overview in 6 minutes of this particular project.